Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable chats in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. First of all, launch open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your mobile device and wait for the game to fully load. Once you're in this game section, go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the main screen. Right after you do that, this will open up the settings menu. Go ahead and tap on sound from the left inside menu. Inside sound, scroll down and get to this battleground chat settings section. To enable text chat, you will need to tap on the on button right next to text chat, whereas if you want to enable voice chat, toggle on the button right next to voice chat. Right after you do that, you will be able to enable chat settings on Mobile Legends. After you do that, you can now go back to the main home screen and then open up a match. Now after enabling the chat option, you can then go ahead and tap on Start Game, and that way you should be able to enable chat in matches on Mobile Legends. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.